distributors nginama distributors ngifuna ukuqhathanisa ema-pharmacy nama-distributors ngababudokotela njengamanje nginomambuso Mncwabe as a standing distributor in Johannesburg ake siqale sibhekeke ema-pharmacy if unembiza uyihambise e-pharmacy let's say imbiza yakho le uyifuna u90 uyidayisa 100 rand wena lembiza i-pharmacy izoyithenga ngo30 rand izoyithenga ngo30 rand imise idayisa u99 rand no what I mean i-pharmacy izofuna ukuthatha ngo30 rand imise idayisa 99 rand meaning that when you lose a lot i-pharmacy makes lot of money out of you. You understand? And ama-pharmacies that are in a angle of making you out of business quicker than you can imagine. Because bakhokhela every 60 days, not every 30 days. Abakhokha cash. We are submitting invoice. Yokhokhela mase kushaya isikhathi uthi ikhokhela. Mina kubantu abasuke bangama distributor bayithatha i-product mina I don't buy from somebody else ngiyazakhela zonke izinto I don't buy from somebody ngibanika ngo40 rand anything ayithathile kumina you40% per 100 kudepend ukuthi beyimalini le nto abayithenga kodwa ngiyohleze you40% noma beyini 40% okusho ukuthi uyena owenza imali eningi kunobaba udokotela rather than yena ukuthi yena enze imali eningi compared to wena osuke usefieldini ngoba lezi zinto lezo ufuna siloku siziveza ukuthi ama-pharmacy inhloso yawo enkulu is to get you out of business ngoba wena bakuthatha njenge-buyer not ukuthi njenge-distributor kubona sekuzothi-ke uma kushaya u-April ngizovula ngokusemthethweni ukwandisa i-network yama-distributor kodwa futhi not ukuthi noma umuphi umuthi abazobe bodayisa sizosho ukuthi imuphi umuthi abazobe bodayisa not ukuthi bazobe bedayisa nomuphi umuthi wakhona sokuza ukuthi i-all care FDR all care leyanto it is so potent believe you me it is so potent but izonifundisa kahle but kuzobe kune joining fee ezobe ikhona thereafter into esizoyenza kuma distributors aid that ama pharmacies angayenzi ilen a person uzobe sinike yonke vese ama details akhe thereafter sesizosho ukuthi White River sine agent or sine distributor eusman bani